Rabara, the Filipino data controller, part of NASA's Artemis II operations team. Ayan o. May Pinoy pala mga kababaya that being part of the mission feels deeply significant for him. Sabi niya mga kababayan, I'm very happy na naging part ako. Parang historic. Rabara explained that during the launch operations, teams are stationed. Wala naman kong idea before na kaya ko makapasok sa ganitong type of job. Zero, he said, describing how unexpected his career path was. Diba? Napakaswerte naman itong Pinoy mga kababayan kasama sa NASA. Kasama dito sa team na to mga kababayan si Lowy.
This is the true test of our trajectory.
Rabara kasama sa dyan sa nagmumonitor.
Nagbabagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu ng lipunan. Bulsa! Opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa! What you see is what you get. You decide.
Hello mga kababayan, si Dante Maravilla. So, binati na rin po ng congratulations, siyempre, ni US President Donald Trump, yung mga American astronauts ng NASA, yung isa doon, Canadian actually, na nakabalik na po kaninang umaga, mga 8 in the morning, nakabalik ng Earth after ng 9 days na flyby sa buwan, 9 days mission, nag-flyby lang sa buwan. So ito yung nangyaring flashdown kanina mga kababayan sa Pacific Ocean, malapit sa San Diego, California. So yan yung pagbati mga kababayan ni US President Donald Trump. Sabi niya, congratulations to the great and very talented crew of Artemis II. The entire trip was spectacular. The landing was perfect. And as President of the United States, I could not be more proud. I look forward to seeing you all at the White House soon. We'll be doing it again. And then next step, Mars. President Donald J. Trump. So yan mga kababayan, yung mga astronauts ng NASA. So, di ba? Nakakatuwa talaga mga kababayan sila. Congratulations sa ating mga astronauts. Mula mismo yan sa NASA. Oh. Post nila 3 hours ago. Ayan po, yung apat. Si Reid, si Victor, si Christina, and si Jeremy. Pero alam ba ninyo mga kababayan, nasa team ng NASA may Pilipino pala na kasama po sa Artemis II operations team. Ito yung report ng GMA News. Meet Lowy Rabara, the Filipino data controller, part of NASA's Artemis II operations team. Ayan o. May Pinoy pala mga kababayan na kasama sa team. A Filipino professional is part of NASA's Artemis II mission, contributing to the real-time space operations as part of the Jet Propulsion Laboratory or JPL team. Si Lowy Rabara, a data controller at the NASA JPL, told GMA News that being part of the mission feels deeply significant for him. Sabi niya mga kababayan, I'm very happy na naging part ako. Parang historic. Rabara explained that during the launch operations, teams are stationed at NASA's Mission Control in Houston, where spacecraft systems are closely monitored as they leave Earth. Once Orion and the spacecraft pass sa Earth's orbit, his team takes over continuous monitoring through incoming space data. Kami na po yung nakapag-track sa kanila through sa mga data. Kami na po yung makaka-receive nun. He said, stressing the responsibility of receiving and analyzing live signals from space. He emphasized the importance of constant vigilance in their work, noting that systems must be closely monitored at all times. Di ba, nakaka-proud mga kababayan, may Pinoy palang kasama doon sa team. Sabi niya, kailangan monitor na monitor, adding that any data loss, in their state would be irreversible. Sabihin natin na nawala yung data, hindi na natin marirecover yon, naiwan na sa space. Rabara shared that his journey to NASA was not planned and did not follow a traditional aerospace background. He studied computer engineering and did not initially expect to work in space operations. Wala naman kong idea before na kaya ko makapasok sa ganitong type of job. Zero, he said, describing how unexpected his career path was. Diba? Napakaswerte naman itong Pinoy mga kababayan kasama sa Artemis 2 team. His opportunity came after working in the US in connecting with NASA contractors through earlier roles, eventually leading him to GPL and mission operations. Rabara encouraged others not to limit their ambitions, saying opportunities can come even more unexpected paths. Huwag lang kayong matakot mangarap, sabi po niya, adding that he personally relied on faith and persistence throughout his journey. If may opportunity, i-grab ninyo lang ng i-grab, sabi po niya. Artemis 2 mission was launched on April 1 and set a new record for the farthest distance that humans have ever traveled from Earth, 52,756 miles or 406,771 kilometers. After nearly 10 days in space, the capsule and its 4-member crew, Commander Reed Wiseman, Pilot Victor Glover, siya si Victor Glover, mga kababayan, yan sa center, and Mission Specialist Christina Cox and Jeremy Hansen, straight through Earth's atmosphere and safely splashed down in the Pacific Ocean. Artemis 2 flight traveling a total of 694,392 miles or 1,117,115 kilometers into Earth's orbits. Any climactic lunar flyby, some 4,000 miles from its surface, was the debut crewed test flight in a series of Artemis missions that aim to return astronauts to the lunar surface starting in 2028. Babalik sila doon, mga kababayan, para sa mga future missions. O, di ba, nakakatuwa, mga kababayan, ito pinakahuling misyon ng NASA. Kasama dito sa team na to, mga kababayan, si Lowy
This is the true test of our trajectory.
Rabara, kasama sa dyan sa nagmumonitor, mga kababayan.
Our celestial neighbor is
Ito yung
complete. Integrity's astronauts.
splashdown, mga kababayan, na nangyari sa dagat kanina. Di ba?
Take a good look at the thermal protection
Yan.
system. We're going to want to download all the data they couldn't transmit back to us and use that to inform Artemis 3. But we're already making
Yung
progress, right?
pag-recover sa
SRT
kanila.
segments already showing up at
Live
KSC.
coverage
Core
yan
stage
kanina,
for
mga
Artemis 3 is
kababayan.
rolling out on April 20th. We're getting 39, or we're getting Mobile Launcher 1 back in vehicle assembly building. So yes, there is a lot to celebrate right now on a mission well accomplished for Artemis 2, and at the same time, we got to start getting ready for 3.
Amazing. And last question, for...
Yan yung actual footage, live coverage, pag-recover sa kanila sa dagat, Pacific Ocean. Palakpakan yung mga tao. Di ba? Nakakatawa, mga
Jubilation here in
kababayan.
the flight control room. The first crew member is out of integrity.
Yan yung pag-retrieve sa kanila ng helicopter para dalhin doon sa
when we did Apollo, the
US ship.
architects of Apollo, Gilbert, Seaman, von Braun, Mueller, what they really wanted to do,
Napakagaling,
as
mga
they were
kababayan.
contemplating what it meant to expand our range of action to the lunar surface, what they wanted to do was learn how to live and work in space for a long time. They
Live siya
wanted to do
kanina.
that first before they were confident they could expand their range of action to the moon. Now, of course, the politics of the time and the mission at the time was different, and so they had to go straight to the moon and bring people home. And then after that, the program kind of lost its momentum.
Tapos nilipat sila sa US ship. Yan siya linipat kanina. Yan na sila, mga kababayan. Di ba? Amazing people. Very historic event, mga kababayan. Ito yung live coverage kanina.
When we did Apollo, the architects of Apollo, Gilbert, Seaman, von Braun, Mueller, what they really wanted to do, as they were contemplating what it meant to expand our range of action to the lunar surface, what they wanted to do was learn how to live and work in space for a long time. They wanted to do that first before they were confident they could expand their range of action to the moon. Now, of course, the politics of the time and the mission at the time was different, and so they had to go straight to the moon. And we learned for 25 years how to live and work in space, and have been able to develop technologies that can enable exploration. So really, what I think is now, 53 years later, we're at the point where the architects of Apollo would have been pleased that we're now ready to actually go back to the moon and go back to stay, because we've learned all the things we needed to learn.
Max Framing and Lifting Cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application, anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Neng siya red mixed fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayosan niya, Mr. Maravilla. Sa mga nagana po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab car rental din po kami. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.